Welcome to Definitions, Part 4. In this video we will continue to define common terms from the automotive hobby, using examples from our extensive library of visual content. These terms have been used on car lots, in auto parts stores, garages, racetracks, car shows, cruise-ins, and anywhere motor vehicles are found. Photos used are from Saturday night cruise-ins hosted by the Hamblen County Car Club in Morristown, Tennessee. Most of these photographs were taken by our club photographer Chantal Combs. Let's get started. Spinners are extensions to custom wheels. Wide whites are white wall tires with wide white strips. Wires refer to wire-spoked wheels. Pit pins are quick-release pins that hold body panels in place. Racing stripes, also called Le Mans stripes or rally stripes, were originally applied to race cars to help identify them in the field during races. A roll bar is a safety device made of round tubular steel, and designed to protect the vehicle's occupants in case of a rollover. A roll cage, found in race cars, completely encloses the driver. Louvers are vents or slots punched in body panels. The most commonly louvered body panel is the hood, done to increase ventilation. A hood louver is a hood opening, or vent that serves as the exit point for the ducts that move air out of the radiator and away from the car. A hood scoop is a device mounted on the hood to force air into the engine at higher speeds. A shaker hood scoop is a device mounted on the engine that protrudes through the hood when closed to force air into the engine at higher speeds. Vehicle snorkels can help your car or truck's engine get cleaner, colder and drier air from a higher vantage point. Instead of sucking in air through the front of the car, the air intake is placed near the hood of the car on the passenger side. Wheelie bars are rods that extend from the back of a car, and are connected to wheels, that help keep the car from flipping backwards during sudden acceleration. A front spoiler is a modification designed to enhance airflow around a vehicle. Front spoilers decrease the amount of air that travels beneath the car, therefore reducing aerodynamic lift. Badging includes all the plastic or metal, or any sticker, on the outside of the vehicle that identifies a make, model, or feature. A beam axle is any automotive front axle featuring the cross-sectional shape of an I-beam. A dune buggy is typically a fiberglass body on a Volkswagen frame and used in off-roading. It could, however, have a steel tubular frame. A muscle car is a North American intermediate, or mid-sized car produced between 1964 and 1972, with a few exceptions, with a large displacement V8 engine. A pony car is a small, compact performance-oriented vehicle, named for the first of its type, the Mustang. Cobra refers to an engine modification made by Ford in the mid-60s to stay competitive in racing. Carroll Shelby is famous for the Cobra engine. Mopar originally stood for motor parts, but became a term for any vehicle built by Chrysler Corporation. There you have it. That is all the definitions we can fit into a 5 to 6 minute video format. We presented terms from body, suspension, engine, brand/model, general, racing, and wheels categories. How many did you know? We are not finished yet. Stay tuned for Definitions, Part 5.